Hello friends, today we will talk about the Hilton Surpass credit card from American Express. This card is perfect for those who travel frequently and want to maximize the benefits of their spending. With the Hilton Surpass card, you earn 12 points for every dollar spent on stays at Hilton hotels, 6 points for purchases at restaurants, supermarkets, and gas stations, and 3 points for all other purchases. This is a great opportunity to accumulate points for free nights. When you sign up, you can receive a welcome bonus of 130,000 points if you spend $2,000 in the first 3 months. These points can be redeemed for free nights at Hilton hotels, making this card especially attractive for travelers. The annual fee for using the card is $95. This may seem high, but if you frequently stay at Hilton hotels, this fee can quickly pay for itself through the points and privileges you earn. It's important to note that the interest rate on the card ranges from 15.99% to 24.99%, depending on your credit score. This is something to consider if you plan to use the card for purchases with deferred payments. With the Hilton Surpass card, you gain access to exclusive offers and discounts on hotel stays, as well as the opportunity to earn gold status in the Hilton Honors program, which provides additional benefits like free breakfast and room upgrades. Now let's take a look at how to apply for the card. On the website, you will need to fill out several fields: your name, address, social security number, income, and employment information. Make sure all the information is entered correctly to increase your chances of approval. Overall, the Hilton Surpass credit card is an excellent choice for those who travel frequently and stay at Hilton hotels. With numerous bonuses and privileges, it can become your reliable companion on your travels.